Today I'm sharing 3 must-have books for anyone passionate about interior design. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, these books will inspire and guide you to create stunning spaces. The first book is a true gem. The Art of Home by Shea McGee is a comprehensive interior design guide that showcases Shea McGee's signature approach to creating elevated yet affordable spaces. This book takes readers through every room of a house, offering step-by-step guide, personal anecdotes, and stunning visuals from Studio McGee's projects. Shea emphasizes that high-end design is accessible to all, blending practical tips like arranging pillows or selecting paint colors with inspiring imagery. This book is a must-have for design enthusiasts because it not serves only as a beautiful coffee table piece, but also provides an actual advice to transform any home into a stylish, welcoming sanctuary, regardless of budget or space constraints. Having this in your library means you will always have a go-to resource to transform any room with confidence. Next up is a book that is all about mastering the art of space. Homebody by Joanna Gaines is an essential resource for anyone who's seeking to craft a home that reflects their personal style and story. Answer yourself a question. Do you want to discover your design preferences? If yes, then this book is for you. It will guide you room by room with practical steps, a removable design template, and examples from her own farmhouse. Joanna empowers readers to blend styles confidently, making spaces feel uniquely theirs. This book is a must-have because it combines heartfelt inspiration with hands-on tools, making it ideal for both novice decorators and seasoned homeowners who want to create inviting, meaningful spaces. What I love about this book is how it breaks down complex design principles into easy-to-apply steps. If you're looking to elevate your skills and tackle the real-world design challenges, then this book is a must-have for you. Finally, let's talk about a book that was a pleasant surprise for me straight from the beginning. Eat, Drink, Nap by Soho House is a stylish lifestyle guide that summarizes the exclusive and creative essence of Global's Members Club. Published in 2014, this 300 pages, highly illustrated book offers the reader a blueprint for modern living, covering interior design tips, simple recipes, cocktail secrets, and advice on curating art or designing rooms. This book is a must-have for those who aspire to elevate their home and hosting game, as it provides practical yet luxury ideas. Think DIY spa treatments or macaroni and cheese recipes, making it a perfect blend of inspiration and utility for anyone who loves sophisticated, creative living. It's a kind of book that you will flip through again and again for ideas that stand the test of time. Together, this book blends practical advice, creative vision, and luxurious charm, perfect for anyone looking to transform their home into a stylish, meaningful space. So grab these 3 books and let them fuel your interior design journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, and let me know what's your favorite design books in the comments.